PicPay ringing the opening bell at the Nasdaq today. The Brazilian digital bank was celebrating its U.S. IPO. PicPay shares closed flat on its first day of trading at $19. That was the IPO price. PicPay offers a digital wallet allowing instant transactions similar to Venmo and Revolut. Its IPO is the first by a Brazilian company in 4 years. PicPay CEO Eduardo Chedid joins me now, and he is at the Nasdaq. Congratulations on the IPO. And I am wondering how you believe this will allow your company to grow and what you expect your business will look like in the next few quarters.
All right, so thank you for having us here. Special day, and well, really excited. It opens up a new chapter for us, one that reinforces our mission to basically create meaningful impact for our customers and simplify their financial lives. So company is doing pretty well. We reached 66 million clients in the third quarter of 25. Revenues, $1.4 billion, growing 92%, and net income also growing 82%. I think that our listing here, it will definitely provide more conditions to foster even additional growth. We believe that, having access to a larger and qualified base of investors will definitely help us on bringing the company to a even better level in the coming years.
Mm-hmm. Certainly, the customer base is impressive in terms of tens of millions. But I have to ask you, as a consumer, for me personally, fintech has always overpromised and underdelivered. So please tell me what is different about PicPay.
Well, first of all, if you think of Brazil now, the number one payment method used by Brazilians is instant payments. PicPay actually created that 8 years before it was launched by the central bank. So we have a disproportionately large participation on the number one payment method in the country. 11% of all Pix transactions actually end or begin at a PicPay account. On top of that, we do offer credit products just like credit cards, loans, payroll loans, salary advances. So I think that in a matter of 5 years, we actually turned an unprofitable digital wallet into a complete digital bank, which is profitable and with a accelerated growth. For consumers, we are basically the only ones that currently offer, for example, the possibility to manage not only the PicPay account, but all of your other bank accounts through our account aggregator. So only one app to manage many different accounts.
In terms of growing that, though, do you also assume that you might get into the commercial credit market as well? I know especially when it comes to small and medium-sized businesses, they are looking for that, even if it's just micro loans. And we did point out, Brazil has had quite a drought on those IPOs. How important is that kind of expansion to you, if at all?
Well, yeah. We from the beginning, we were always a two-sided ecosystem because we had buyers and sellers on the other side. So we always cater for small and medium businesses. Definitely, this is one of our key opportunities and areas of investment. The same product velocity that we use to build a very good competitive product suite on the consumer side, we're applying now to SMBs. Just to give you one number, we've reached almost 900,000 small and medium business accounts, and we're actually growing that by around 60,000 new accounts per month. So it seems that we have really good and early signs that the small and medium businesses are also looking at PicPay as someone who can actually deliver the same as we're already delivering to all of our consumers.
And before I let you go, the Brazilian economy itself, I mean, clearly you're going to say you're optimistic about it, but what kind of challenges do you see going forward?
Well, I think that not very different from the US. I think that the fiscal part could be better. On the other hand, we still have the lowest unemployment rates. GDP is growing. So we have a positive outlook. If I could say something, yeah, the fiscal could do better.
Yeah, for your lips to the government's ears, because it isn't just Brazil dealing with that these days. That is for sure. Eduardo, we have to leave it there. We really want to thank you. And again, congratulations on the IPO.